I can't believe this is only $250. This is from a brand called Time Resistant. They nominated to send this bag to us for an independent review like we always do. We did not pay for this product. They sent it for free. This will allow us to inspect a lot more variety of brands in the future. So this collaboration will enable us and you explore the leatherverse a little bit more. First impressions, I opened the box. I got a heavy vegetable tan leather smell, and that the look confirmed right away. This looks like a hand-stained vegetable tan, the ones that we use from Tuscany. I'm very familiar with the leather, the smell. It's gorgeous. It's one-of-a-kind piece. It's made in Italy. The stitching, all the craftsmanship, accessories speak for itself. I really love the product in first sight. It's gonna be very painful for me to cut a bag of this beauty. So we're gonna apply acetone on this leather, but I already know from the back side this is a hand-stained leather. Aniline dyes is only on the top layer. We might be able to remove most of it. It has a nice gloss on it. Let's try to scrape it off with this. Since there's no film layer on it, there's not much gonna come out. But nothing else changes because it's a quite transparent finish with a nice shiny gloss on it. So it crackles like wood burning. It almost smells like wood burning. And the ash residue doesn't have any green signs and gives the characters of charcoal. They stick together in a rigid manner and then they crackle. As there's no signs of chrome in this leather as expected. It's a full vegetable tan leather. I see about 10-11 square foot of gorgeous vegetable tan cowhide in front of me. The leather cost alone should be somewhere between $75–80. Craftsmanship is definitely above medium complexity, very well done, made in Italy. It should be about $120 to put this together. So in my estimate, you need to spend about $200 to make a bag of this sort. The only thing that doesn't match the quality of the leather and the craftsmanship is the fabric choice. It's a little lower grade. Given everything else is gorgeous, you know, it's not a huge deal. I think if you improve the fabric, this is going to be just an incredible piece. As I said, I did not pay for this bag, and I checked on the website. It's 240 euros. It's about 250 US dollars. Given my estimate of $200 to make a bag like this, I can't believe the pricing. It's a beautiful piece, incredibly good leather, really good craftsmanship. I like the design. Overall, an insane value they're delivering to the leather space here. And just to put it in perspective, if you get a bag from any small brand that doesn't have a status, I think a fair price for this should be somewhere around $500–600 minimum.